Hi, let me give you an overview of what all we are going to discuss in this course. The first thing we'll talk about is how people trade. Not the process of trading, but the ideology or the concepts which people follow. And then we shall try and understand the differences between trading and investing. These two are entirely different things. More often than not, it happens that people think that they are trading, but in reality, they are investing. Similarly, on the other hand, some people think that they are investing, but in reality, they land up trading. Then we shall talk about some plain vanilla trades and why these plain vanilla trades are not desirable. We shall then take up some intraday trades. That means you take a position during the day and then square off during the same day. You do not carry forward your position to the next day. That is called as intraday trades. Among the intraday trades, we shall discuss about long futures with stop loss and trigger and shorting futures with stop loss and trigger. These are the two strategies which we will discuss in detail with examples. Then we shall find some solutions for overnight trades. What would you do if you have to keep your trades for overnight or till the next day or till the expiry of the contract? Among the overnight trades, we shall talk about long futures and long puts, and we shall also talk about the other viewpoint, the point of view opposite to long futures and long puts, and also how do you generate profit in those trades. Then we shall talk about bull call spread. This is another interesting strategy. And then bull put spread. Both these are bullish strategies, one involving call options and the other involving put options. Then we shall have a look at the payoff diagrams for both these bull spreads. Then we shall also discuss hedging long securities by shorting futures, an interesting topic, and how do we do that. Then towards the end, we shall talk of a strategy called as covered call, another important and interesting strategy. Please remember that this course is designed primarily for the beginners, for people who have started trading in futures and options without the basic knowledge and then land up making huge losses. So it is primarily designed for such people who are the beginners. So when you are viewing this course or when you are going through this course, please keep that in mind that it is for the beginners. The idea is not to load you with a lot of strategies, but just to make your mind thinking or set your mind thinking so that you apply your mind and start creating your own strategies depending upon your own risk appetite. All right.